Hello, trading is closed on February 4th, 2015. I'm Tennant. My last call was that we should have a drop beginning today and starting right from the open of trading. Well, we had a good sized drop and we did drop right from the open, but in the middle we hit some new highs. So I don't know if it's really fair to give me credit for the prediction, because the prediction was based on some Elliott wave analysis, and these new highs would have invalidated the reason for the prediction, even though we got the drop from the open and the drop at the close that I called for. You can grade that any way you want to. Well, today mejt early in the day said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did. It said even though those prices would print, that we would have an optional retrace to this thick line, which we did. Later in the day, it said ultimately lower and higher prices would print. The blue Fs indicate that the rally was the move higher and was false, and this red F indicates the move lower was the drop, and it was false too, so that worked. There's no new mejt target for tomorrow, forcing us to rely on other stuff. Well, I suppose this should be an easy call. We have a strong gap up yesterday, a series of higher highs and higher highs and higher highs, and then we slice through them. We can't hold on to any of them. It's never strong. You hit a new recovery high, drop through a whole day long consolidation, and close in the red. There is a catch, and the catch is this drop came in response to a news announcement about Greece and its credit worthiness. And there's a rule that moves in response to news announcements tend to be reversed quickly and completely. So we have competing indicators, conflicting indicators. The best I can come up with is that if we gap down under this low tomorrow, which futures have done already as I speak, I think that would show that this whole rally phase from this gap up was probably a false move, and we could start the decline. But if we get a recovery by tomorrow's open, do not take out this flow promptly. We've got a good chance to retrace to today's high. So based on that, I think tomorrow's open and opening hour will most likely tell a more clear picture than the one we have now. And that's today's call.